Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Twitter. If at the end of this video guys you find it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now first thing to do is to go to your Twitter and open it up. When you open your Twitter app, then it will bring you to this page. Just navigate to your profile picture and click on it. When you click on it guys, scroll up, then you find settings and support. Click on that settings and support. Under that you find settings and privacy. Click on that settings and privacy again. Now it will bring you to your page here. Go ahead and click on your account. When you click on account guys, it will bring you to this page. Then go ahead and click on account information. When you click on account information, then the first option there is your username. Click on username. You can clear up this name. If you want to change it, then you have to put in your new username. After putting your new username, to see it's check up, just click on done. Then it will bring you to this page guys. At the down page here, click on done. You can see your new username is, because I'm using my previous username as my new username. Just click on done. Go ahead and click on this back button. So guys, that is how to change your username on Twitter. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.